Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying hardware and service. Check that your phone model explicitly supports 4G/LTE and that your SIM and plan include LTE. Once done, update the phone OS and back up essential data. This prevents hiccups. Next, open settings and go straight to network or connections. Don't wander. Make sure mobile data is enabled, then locate the section labeled Network Mode, Mobile Networks, or Cellular. These steps put you in the right place to change from 3G to 4G quickly. Now you configure network settings. Select LTE/4G preferred or LTE only if you need forced 4G. You do this because devices may fall back to 3G if set to automatic modes. Then check APN values, name, APN, username, password, and numeric MCC/MNC, because wrong APN prevents 4G data. If your carrier supports voice over LTE, enable VO LTE or HD voice so calls use 4G. Finally, swap SIM into finish by restarting your phone. A reboot often registers you on the 4G cell. Once restarted, run a speed test or browse to confirm LTE symbols and improved throughput. If you still see 3G, reset the SIM, switch slots, or perform a network settings reset. These actions clear configuration conflicts. Make sure firmware and carrier settings are up to date, and if the carrier says your SIM is older than required, swap it. If problems persist, contact carrier support and explain steps you already tried.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.